experience is wow, isn't it? But at this point of time, let's stay safe at home and draw hot air balloons and paint them. The materials required are acrylic colors, A4 sheets, painting brush, white pencil color and sketch pens. With blue painting color, let's paint the sheet. Similarly, paint the sheet with different types of colors as shown. And draw hot air balloons on the sheet as shown. Painting color and paint the hot air balloons. Drawings and also flying birds and a bright warm welcoming sun. Decorate them on your walls and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Sparklebox. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Bye bye.